All right, y'all, our next point of interest in South Florida is Dania
Beach.
Dania Beach. And we are on Dania Beach Pier, and we are headed into the Quarterdeck for a beer, maybe some oysters. I don't know if that counts as a Dockside bar or an Oceanside bar. We'll let you know how it is. Okay guys, we're at the Quarterdeck having a couple of beers. They don't have any oysters on the half shell, tragically, so I think we're gonna just maybe get a beer or two here and do some bar hopping. But it's a great scene. We like it. This is part of the restaurant. There's an inside, but we're in a cool part. So the Quarterdeck, it was a great scene, you know, typical bar associated with a pier. It was just amazing views of the ocean. We were down visiting some friends who were staying in Hollywood, made a pit stop at the Quarterdeck in Dania Beach. If you're in the area, I would suggest you hit it at least for a beer. Tragically, no oysters. But it was a fun pit stop, and we'll see you next time.